This is ML-101, an open-source leader arm designed for intuitive teleoperation and embodied AI data collection. The key innovation? Ergonomics. We reposition joints 2, 3, and 4 by 50 millimeters along the axis. This gives operators significantly more clearance during movement, while maintaining full SO101 kinematic compatibility. No more awkward wrist angles or fighting the hardware. Cable management is integrated into the design. Clean routing means fewer snags and more reliable operation during long data collection sessions. The trigger mechanism uses a coaxial design. Your index finger naturally aligns with the gripper axis. This makes precise manipulation feel effortless, especially during repetitive tasks. But here's the best part. ML-101 is fully open hardware, certified by OSHWA. CAD files, bill of materials, assembly instructions, everything is on GitHub. ML-101 is the first in our motion infrastructure platform for embodied AI. Download the files, build your own, or stay tuned for kit availability.